everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Dramacool. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you've not yet, press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in dramacoolweb.org and press enter on your keyboard. From the official web page, click on the login button at the top right hand corner, and in the login area, you can either continue logging in with a Google account or enter your email address that you registered with in the first text box. Head over to the next field and type in your password correct. If you've forgotten your password during the process, click on the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions. Finally, after filling in your details, click the sign in area and you'll be able to log into your Dramacool account. That was how you can easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.